Yeah, no, so this is what, about two and a half hours
Yeah.
from the operation, and this was a revision operation, because we had the original operation some years ago somewhere.
That's right, yeah, 20 years ago.
Yeah, and so large disc, so we had to shave that, and I decompressed the level below, so L45 and L5S1.
Okay.
And then we stabilized it with this
With
implant.
that clip.
Yes.
That's brilliant.
And you came in, what, on a stretcher, more or less.
I literally was, I was paralysed pretty much.
Yeah. And how are you feeling now?
Feeling alright.
Any pain down your leg?
No.
No
Not
pain?
even no, just obviously where you've gone into the back, that's a bit sore.
Which is expected.
No.
And you're standing upright. Let's see you walk. Look at this. Yeah. Do you see how he came in?
No, I didn't.
Oh, right. You didn't. Yeah. This is a different man altogether.
Really?
Yeah, brilliant.
The bionic man is back.
Yes.
Just need to lose some weight now.
Oh, no. And you're standing upright as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Absolutely.